Welcome back to Module 6. In this module, we'll show you how to create banners for your app using PagePilot. First, open the PagePilot dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on App Banners. Then move to the top right corner and select Create App Banner. Now, enter your banner details. Banner name, device type, language, banner type, identifier. Once you've filled in the details, click on Start from Scratch. Next, choose your preferred banner size and begin customizing it. Start by adding a heading, adding a subtext, creating a call to action button for direct user interaction, adding a GIF or image as needed. After completing your design, click on Preview to make sure everything looks perfect. If everything is good, go back to the editor and click on Publish. Here, you can set the date and scheduling options as needed. Once published, you'll see the banner status change to live. And that's it for this module. In the next module, we'll learn how to integrate your app or website with PagePilot.